Y'all ready for this?
Easy question. That's an easy question. He's a leader. He's himself all the time. Jordan, he's like just one of those guys that like, you're like, don't be Jordan. But he's Jordan every day. And you never see him get mad, like, in front of other people. Never does. Because he's Jordan. And he's my best friend. And I get emotional thinking about Jordan. But he deserves it.
Jordan deserves Student of the Month because of his big heart and he'd do anything for anyone. He's always there helping and willing to lend a hand.
Jordan deserves Student of the Month because he's just a great, caring person. I mean, he never puts anybody down. He's always there for you, and you can always count on him.
Jordan deserves it for a multitude of reasons, but mainly just because he's a good individual that goes out of his way to help anyone and continually does the right thing, especially when no one's looking.
All right. I think Jordan deserves Student of the Month just because he's so genuine. Like with Jordan, what you see is what you get, and you know he's a good person. You know he's a good kid, and you never have to worry about Jordan. He just takes care of his business. He does what he's supposed to do, and he's just so genuine in doing it.
I mean, just last night, here I am. I'm wanting to watch this basketball game. And Jordan's like, just come over to my house and watch the end of this game. And I'm like, Jordan, open door policy at your house? I came right over, watched the end of that game. He provided me hamburger, soda. He knows how to treat you, you know? He's good at what he does. And I mean, if you ever just want a friend, I mean, if Jordan brings cookies to school and you say, Jordan, can I have a cookie? He's gonna give you a cookie. He's so saint-like in that way. Jordan, if you're watching this, thank you. Thank you.
My favorite trait about Jordan is how nice he is. He can't tell anyone no, and he'll do anything you ask because he can't tell anyone no.
My favorite trait about Jordan probably is just his determination, man. He never gives up. He's relentless with anything he does, whether that be basketball, grades, or even just outside of school, helping out friends and stuff.
Probably his kindness and his caring heart. And you can see that through everything that he does, whether it's sports, classroom, being with his friends. He's just got a great heart, and it shows in everything he does.
My favorite trait about Jordan is how passionate he is with everything that he does. I haven't seen many kids work as hard as what Jordan has at basketball, but then also at school and just in life in general. I gotta throw in my least favorite trait too. My least favorite trait is that he's a Duke fan. It's horrible. It's miserable.
Oh, Jordan. So, it's like 7th grade or whatever. We just get our school Chromebooks first day. Second day, forget mine at home. And I'm like, Jordan, just lend me your Chromebook, bro. And he's like, no, I'll need it for my next class. I'm like, dude, I promise you won't need it for your next class. Well, it turns out he's got old Mrs. Hodson, and he did need the Chromebook that day, and he got in trouble, but I did not. And that man right there saved me because I was going to Mrs. Mountain's class, and I would have gotten a tardy if I did not have my Chromebook. So he just gives he wants others to succeed. So selfless.
My favorite memory of Jordan was homecoming and Sadie Hawkins of her junior year. Good job, bud.
My best memory of Jordan. I wouldn't say it's a great memory for me, but for him it might be my sophomore year. We had an open gym during the summer, and he came down the lane doing a Euro step and broke my nose right across. And for the longest time, he still doesn't think it's his fault, but it was not good.
Best memory of Jordan is probably the night that he scored his 1,000th point this year at Canton. That was a pretty cool moment to see the team, rally around him and how excited he was for that moment.
My best memory is going on vacations with Jordan, with Jordan's whole family. Jordan and I always partake in getting lots and lots of food. So we've been to plenty of restaurants before and just load up on appetizers and load up on food. And Jordan loves food, so those are definitely my favorite memories with him.
Jordan is just so reliable. Jordan has just always been a kid that is always in the right spot at the right time, whether it was when I was coaching him in junior high baseball or had him in PE or just here now being his principal. Jordan is just always somebody that I can count on to be doing what he needs to do. And it's just been really cool to see this year in basketball how great things have been going and seeing Jordan getting a little worked up and excited about things. He's just an awesome kid, and we're really going to miss him.